have to stop traffic, and I don't think we should do it in Meath, because the shopkeepers in Navan have had enough bother. We should be bringing it to Dublin to stop traffic. We need to make sure that the government knows how serious this is.
Calls to intensify resistance to HSE plans to reduce emergency services at Navan Hospital, with ambulance expected to start bypassing the Navan A&E from Monday, were made at a packed meeting in Navan last night. Deputy Peadar Tabine of the Save Navan Hospital campaign laid out what the loss of emergency services at Our Lady's would mean and the further impact it would have on an already overwhelmed Drogheda hospital.
It would be catastrophic for this region, and I think the 11 ambulances outside of Drogheda last Saturday proved that without a shadow of a doubt. The message tonight is that the health service in this region is in such a critical place. It's in such a disastrous, chaotic place that we cannot afford to lose any services in Navan Hospital A&E. And in actual fact, if we're really talking about patient safety, if we're really talking about saving lives, we must invest in Navan A&E to make sure that it's one of the best and safest A&Es in the country.
There were no government ministers in attendance at last night's meeting, but a number of local representatives did voice their continued support for retaining all emergency services at Navan, including Councillor Elaine McGuinty.
Navan has an A&E. It's your county hospital. It is here. It's not gone, and we need to save it. And I hope we do tonight.
While Senator Shane Castles also addressed the meeting, where he described as chaos the scenes at Drogheda Hospital last Saturday night, when 11 ambulances with patients on board had to wait outside an already overcrowded A&E.
This summer, we had an airport authority that couldn't run an airport and left people trying to fly standing in the car park waiting to leave the country. We now have a health authority that can't run the health system and leave people in the car park waiting for attendance in Drogheda as well.
Simultaneous protests are now scheduled to take place outside Navan and Drogheda hospitals this Monday to coincide with the new ambulance protocols.